I took your diaper off, Allison. You did. That nasty thing. You don't want it on, do you? Footy, take that off. You funny girl. Oh, 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 it's almost off. Oh, oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. Are you ready for big girl undies? Listen.